Today is my birthday party. I am so happy. My best friends are here. We are making pizza there. First, we all have a plate. Then give us the dough. It's dough and sticky. We put some flour on it, so it's not sticky. Let's your right hand. Place the dough hard. Let's play dough together. Apply first again. My friend and I are very sure. I am also very excited. Finally, spread the dough on the plate and make the pizza the same size as the plate. Look, what are you doing? I am putting tomato sauce and some cheese, pineapple and ham. Okay, it's done. Yeah! There are so many photos. Everyone is so happy. 10 minutes. Now we can have pizza. Delicious pizza. We service our family. We are full of smiles. After finishes the pizza, we play game we call Whack-A-Mole through Matrix. There are still many fun things to do. Go!